Looking for a beautifully detailed one-row repeat crochet stitch? The Trinity Stitch might just be the stitch you're looking for. Let's grab a hook and some yarn and we'll get crocheting. For today's tutorial, I'm using a size J 6.0 millimeter crochet hook as well as some medium weight size 4 yarn in this teal color. And today's crochet tutorial is written using US crochet terms. For the Trinity Stitch, you simply have to chain in multiples of 2, so you're going to have an even number. Begin by working into the second chain from the crochet hook. Into that chain, I'm going to place a regular single crochet stitch. After working that single crochet stitch, we're going to start into the Trinity Stitch. You begin by inserting your hook into the stitch we just finished. You yarn over, pull through. Now there's 2 loops on the hook. You go to the next chain, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. Now there's 3 loops on the hook, and then you go to the next chain, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. Now there's 4 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over, pull through all 4 loops, and then chain 1 to complete that. Then we repeat. So we're going to go into the same stitch we just finished with. So yarn over, pull through, go to the next stitch, insert our hook, yarn over, pull through, go to the next chain, insert our hook, yarn over, pull through. Now there's 4 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over, pull through all 4 loops, then we're going to chain 1. Now we have 2 stitches left, so we do the same thing. We go into the last stitch we just finished, yarn over, pull through. We go into the next chain, yarn over, pull through, and we go into the very last chain, insert our hook, yarn over, pull through. Now there's 4 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over, pull through all 4 loops, but instead of chaining 1, what we're going to do is we're going to simply go into that last chain again and work a single crochet stitch to complete the row, and that completes 1 row of Trinity stitches. To go to the next row, you would begin by chaining 1 and turning our work. Into the very first stitch, you're going to place a single crochet stitch. Then you start into the Trinity stitches just like you did for the last row. So you're going to insert your hook into the last stitch we worked into, yarn over, pull through, go into the next stitch, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, go into the next stitch, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. Now there's 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops, and then chain 1. And we repeat. Go into the last stitch, yarn over, pull through, next stitch, yarn over, pull through, and the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. Now there's 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops, chain 1, and yet again you'll have 2 stitches left when you get to the end of the row. So you'll go into the same stitch you just finished with, yarn over, pull through, go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, and then go into the very last stitch, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. Now you have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 4, and then place a single crochet to end the row. And that completes row 2. And you would simply keep repeating row 2 for the remainder of your project. If you need to see this stitch in slower, more detailed moves, you can check out my blog, hopecornerfarm.com, or my YouTube channel, Hope Corner Farm Crochet, where I take this stitch a lot slower and in more details. And I hope you have a wonderful day.